Power Analytics is excited about PyServer 2012 because of the massive amounts of data that we process both to and from the PyServer in short burst times. We operate typically in mission-critical environments where we are taking massive amounts of data, sometimes in sub-1 second cycles, processing them through our software, and then in a lot of cases writing it back to Pi. The PyServer 2012, via its architecture, allows us both the architecture and the speed to do that, and then also it erases some of the memory constraints that we've seen in earlier versions.
I'm excited about PyServer 2012 because it fixes a lot of the issues our customers has asked for, especially when it comes to reprocessing of archives. That was the big pain point, and I do have customers waiting anxiously for this release just because of that.
I'm excited about the new features that PyServer 2012 is going to have. Mainly the ability to be able to create points in older archives and be able to backfill that data. So you're not going to need to reprocess older archives anymore. You can just create your points and start backfilling data from whatever system, flat files that you might have.
We're expecting to achieve performance with PyServer 2012 that gives us upwards of 300,000 events per second into the system, which would enable all kinds of different analyses that haven't been really possible before.
Already our initial indications is that it is definitely going to be faster, and that's going to be good for our customer because they'll be able to get their data, plus that's going to be great for us because that just means that we have to spend less amount of effort to do this entire backfilling operation.
We have a lot of applications where either our batch interface will load data into the PyServer and trying to backfill, and we got to reprocess archives. Now that goes away with PyServer 2012, and that makes it much more easier for our customers to deploy. We have the same with our machine edition. If it's been collecting data for a long period of time, and we then want to integrate that into our plant server, again, we need to reprocess the archives. We don't have to do that anymore. That's one of the big things.